GM 1500 2.7-liter Turbo Resonator Delete Installation Guide. Step 1. With the intake tube out of the way, loosen the hose clamp and remove the charge air cooler hose from the plastic turbo resonator. Step 2. Remove the plastic turbo resonator from the turbo compressor housing by opening the two legs of the clip and pull the plastic turbo resonator toward the front. There is a clocking feature integrated into the PPE Resonator Delete. Make sure to align this feature with the impression on the factory compressor housing, otherwise it won't be fully seated. Step 3. Apply a thin layer of lubricant to the O-ring of the PPE Resonator Delete. Push the Resonator Delete onto the compressor housing until the clip clicks into place. Step 4. Reinstall the charge air cooler hose using the factory clamp. Installation complete.